Hello guys, today we'll be going through the steps to set up a sample watering program for the timer in my hand. Let's first take a look at the design of the timer. On the front, we have a waterproof plastic cover. After removing the cover, we can see two knobs, which are used to control the frequency and the runtime of your watering schedule. The battery compartment is down here. On the back is a solid surface and there's nothing for us to set up. We will install the batteries now. After installing the batteries, we can hear a motor sound. It means that the valve is working fine. To show you how this timer works, we will set up a 3-minute runtime watering program that repeats every 4 hours. We just need to turn the frequency knob to 4 hours and the runtime knob to 3 minutes. Note that the first watering cycle will not start right away, but rather 4 hours from now. We always install the timer in between the faucet and the hose. Now the preset watering time is almost up and we will wait to see what happens.